Your loyal customers deserve a warm personal welcome every time they walk in. But with constant staff turnover, it's hard for a new team to remember every familiar face. AI changes that. The moment a loyalty customer enters, the system recognizes them instantly and quietly shares their name with the cashier through a Bluetooth earpiece. So your regulars still feel known, even on your busiest days. Another group puts your whole business at risk: shoplifters. They drain profit and keep coming back even bolder. Watchlist shows who to watch and when to call law enforcement for a known loss.
Attention ID #111. Attention ID number 112.
It puts control back where you've had little for far too long. Here's a quick breakdown of what it actually costs to set up CCTV and Watchlist in a small store from scratch. No cabling crews, no integrator fees, and no cloud services just to access your own recordings. Everything installs in minutes and all data stays local. The monthly on-prem license for this essential app is only $9, supporting ongoing development and new features. Download the app on Google Play using the links in the video description and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss what's coming next.